Have you ever clicked through a long document titled End User License Agreement without reading a single word, only to wonder if those terms actually hold any legal weight? In our digital world, these agreements are a fundamental part of accessing nearly every piece of software, application, or online service we use. End-user license agreements, or EULAs, are indeed legally enforceable contracts, primarily under established principles of contract law. When you accept an EULA, you are forming a binding agreement with the software provider, which outlines the rules for using their product. The legal enforceability of EULAs stems from the core elements required for any valid contract: an offer, acceptance, and consideration. The software provider makes an offer by presenting the terms of the EULA. You, as the user, accept this offer typically through a clear affirmative action, such as clicking an I agree button, often referred to as a clickwrap agreement. For consideration, the software provider grants you a license to use their software, and your agreement to abide by their terms serves as your consideration. Courts generally uphold these agreements because your assent or agreement is clearly manifested. To navigate the digital landscape effectively, it is crucial to understand that your interaction with these agreements carries legal consequences. Always make sure you understand the key provisions, especially those related to data usage, limitations of liability, and dispute resolution. While it is impractical to read every single line of every EULA, being aware of critical clauses can empower you to make informed decisions. One interesting legal nuance is the distinction between a clickwrap agreement, where explicit consent is given, and a browsewrap agreement, where consent is implied merely by using a website. Clickwrap agreements are almost universally upheld by courts due to the clear manifestation of user assent. While less common today for critical software, understanding this difference can highlight the importance of active consent in contract formation. Ultimately, recognizing that EULAs are binding contracts allows you to approach software use with a clear understanding of your rights and obligations. This knowledge protects you by setting clear expectations for how you can use software and how your data might be handled, fostering a more secure and predictable digital experience.